children, good morning. How are you? Are you remember our previous class? What did you discuss about previous class? 5-digit numbers. What is 5-digit numbers? A number having 5 digits. A number having 5 digits. We discuss how to count the numbers, its place value, face value, value, and also how to represent the given numbers in a place value chart. Okay. Then today we will discuss new topic, how to expand the number, how to expand the number and its number names. Have you heard about the expanded? That term? When we apply the air, the balloon become expanded. That like we are adding the values of the given numbers, the number will expanded. We will check it how to write the expanded form of the given numbers. Okay. First we write a 5-digit number. How we expanded the given number? Expanded form is the sum of the values of the digits in the number. Okay, we will check it. First we want to find the values of the digits. What is the value of 3 here? What is the value of 3 here? 3 in the 10,000 place. So the value of 3 is 30,000. Then next number is 7. 7 in which position? Which place? 7 in the thousands place. So what is the value of 7 here? 7,000. Next 1. Next digit is 1. 1 in the position of 100. So what is the value of 1 here? 100. Next digit is 8. 8 in the position of 10. So the value of 8 is 80. Next digit is 5. 5 in the place of ones. So the value of 5 is 5. Okay, once more. 3 in the position of 10,000. So the value of 3 is 30,000. 7 in the position of 1,000. So the value of 7 is 7,000. 1 in the position of 100. So the value of 1 is 100. 8 in the position of 10. The value of 8 is 80. 5 in the position of ones. So the value of 5 is 5. Then we want to find how to write the expanded form. Expanded form is the sum of the values of the digits in a number. So we find the sum. So we are putting the plus symbol, additional symbol here in between each values. 30,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 5. So the expanded form of 37,185, we write 30,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 5. Okay, one more example we will do. Okay, first we want to find what values of each digits. Here first digit is 9. 9 in the place of 10,000. So value of 9 is 90,000. Next 7. 7 in which place? 7 in 1,000 place. 7 in which place? 7 in 1,000 place. So the value of 7 is 7,000. Next 1. 1 in the place of 100. So what is the value of 100? Next 0. 0 in the position of 10. So we write 0 or 0. Then 3. 3 in the position of 1. So the value of 3 is 3. Then how we find the expanded form? The sum of the values of each digits. So what is the expanded form of 97,103? 90,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 3. We are adding to 0. Any number we are adding to 0, we will get same number. So we will say that 90,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 3, or 90,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 0 plus 3. Both are correct. Okay. Then we studying how to expand the given numbers. Next is we want to write how to give the names, number names. How to find the number names. Okay, that we will check it. Here we just look 30,000. First number is here 37185. And how we read these numbers? How to give the names? How to give the names or find the number names? How to write the number names? From this we will write very easy to write. Find the number names. We will check it. How we give the names or how to write the number names. Here we just look here the expanded form of this number 37185. 37185 is a 5-digit number. We want to write the number names. First we expanded the numbers. 30,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 80 plus 5. So 30,000, we write 30,000, 30,000. Next 7,000. Then 100, 100, 80, 5. Okay, but you look here, 30,000, 7,000. Both are 1,000. So we'll write together. But we write 30 plus 7, 37. So we write 30,000 and 7,000. We write together 37,000. 185. Okay, we want to write the number names of the number 37185. Very easy to finding using expanded form. Here we expanded 30,000 plus 7,000, 100 plus 80 plus 5. So 30,000 and 7,000. Both are thousands. So we write together 30 plus 7, 37,000, 185. So how we read this number? 37,185. Same way you find out this number 97103. First we expanded the number 90,000 plus 7,000 plus 100 plus 0 plus 3. This is the expanded form of 97103. Then how we give the names? This is here 90,000 and 7,000. So we are writing together 90 plus 7, 97,000. $103. Okay, we have first expanded the number, then write the names. Okay, next, how we write without expanding the number names. Next, we check it how to write the names of the given number without expanding. Okay. Four, 7, 0, 5, 3. This is the given number. So we want to write the number name without expanding. That we will check it how to write the number names without expanding. Here you look. This is ones place, tens place, 100, 1,000 and 10,000. So 4 and 7. Look here. 4 and 7 in the 4 in the 10,000 place, 7 in the 1,000 place. So we write together 47,000. Four in the 10,000 place, 7 in the 1,000 place. So we are read 47,000. Next 0, 100 places 0 only. Then 5 in the tens place. So we write 50. Then 3 in one place. So 3, 53. So we can read 47,053. Okay, one more example we will do. Nine zero five 7, 8. 90578. Without expanding, how we give the name? 9 in the 10,000 place, in the 1,000 place 0 only. So we'll write 90,000. $90,000. 9 in the place of 10,000 and 0 in the place of 1,000. So we write 90,000. 5 in the place of 100. So the value of 5 is 500. 90,000. 500. 500. 7 in the place of 10. So 70. 8 in the place of 1. So value of 8 is 878. Okay, once more I say without expanding how we give the names. Number names. 47053 is the given number. How to give the names? We will check the places. From here onwards we will count it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. These two are the thousand period. We say periods. So this is in the periods, thousands periods. So we'll write together. 47. 47,000. Then 100 place no value 0 only. Then tens place 5, 53. So we write 47,553. 47,053. Next 90578. 90578. Then we will check it. Ones, tens, 100, 1000, 10,000. 9 in the place of 10,000. In 1000 place 0. So we'll try together 90,000, 90,000, 5 in the place of 100. So 500, 7 in the place of tens. So 70, 8 in the place of ones, 8. So 70,500, sorry, 90,578. Okay, 90,578. Okay, you do one more problem along. Okay, you try to do this problem. 39032. 3902. Can you say the answer? 3 and 9. 3 in the 10,000 place, 9 in the place of 1000. So we write 39,000. Then the place of 100, 0. The next in the tens place 3. So 30. In ones place 2. So 32. What is the answer? 39,032. How many of them got this answer? Good. Okay, anyone have doubt for expanded form and number names? Next, we are talking about the Roman numerals. Have you heard that Roman numerals? Where we use Roman numerals? Okay, then we will check it. Roman numerals. Roman numerals. Okay, we will check it. Where we use Roman numerals. Roman numerals is we are representing the numbers in a symbols. Okay. Then you are in 4th standard. In 4th standard, 3 divisions are there. 4th A, 4th B, 4th C. That like divisions are there. In each classes, you are writing this like 4th A and 4th B, 4th C. This like you are writing? No, we are using some symbols. 4th A, 4th B, 4th C. This is like you write. This like numbers. This is numerals. This representation, this like representation, we say that Roman numerals. Okay, we will check it. The Roman numerals that you already used. In 1st standard, how you write? First. Or the number first, how we write? This is first. Numerals of 1. The numerals of 1, how to represent in Roman numerals? This like. Then 2. Second standard, how you write? 2 lines are there. Okay. First standard you write 1 line. Second standard you write 2 lines. Then third standard how you write? How many lines are there? 3 lines. Okay. Then 1, 2, 3. Then fourth standard you write 4 lines? No. You are writing 1 line. Then this like one symbol. Okay. This is 4. Then fifth standard how you write? This only. Then sixth. That you already use in the classroom. Okay. Then seventh. In 7th standard classroom, how you write 7? Then 8th standard, how you write? The 9th standard. Okay. First standard 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. This you already knowing because we are using the classroom, we are using the symbols in the classroom, in board and outside the classroom for mentioning your class. Okay, then we will check it. 11. How to write 11 in Roman numerals? Here 10. From 10, we'll check it. About 10 or 11 onwards, how to write Roman numerals. First we are writing 1 is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. 1, 2, 3. Here you just look 1. 2 means 1 plus 1. 2 lines. 3 means 1 plus 1 plus 1. 4 means 5 minus 1. In the symbol of 5 is this. So 5 minus 1. So 1 we are writing first, minus symbol. Here subtraction, so before we are writing. Then 5 symbol. Then what is the symbol of 5? The next 6. 6 how you write? 5. 6 we can write 5 plus 1. In the addition symbol we are writing the smallest number in the right side. Okay. In subtraction symbol, subtraction case, we are writing the highest number, largest number the right side. Addition case, we are writing the smallest number in the right side. So the symbol of 5 is this. Then symbol of 1 is 1. So 6. 7 we can write 5 plus 2. So here also addition. 7, 8, 5 plus 3. So how many lines are needed? 3 lines. The symbol of 5, then 3 lines. The symbol of 3. Okay. Then 9, 10 minus 1. The minus symbol which is writing right side largest number. So the symbol of 10 is this and 1. 10. So you only remembering the symbol of 1 is this, 5 and 10. From this 3 we will write up to 10 or up to 39. We will check it how we get from this numbers, how to write the Roman numerals up to 39. Okay, 11. 11, we can write 10 plus 1. 10 plus 1. What is the symbol of 10? X. Then what? Here addition. So where we write the smallest term? In the right side. So symbol of 11 is XI or this like symbol. Then 12. 12 means 10 plus 2. So here also addition. We will write the symbol of 10 and symbol of 2. So 12. Next 13. 13. How you expanded? 10 plus 3. What is the symbol of 10? This. And symbol of 3? Okay. Then 14. 14, look here. 4 we can write 5 minus 1. So 10 plus 4. 10 plus 4 we can write. What is the symbol of 10? This, and symbol of 4. So what is the symbol of 14? This. Then 15. How you write expanded 15? 10 plus 5. The symbol of 10 is this and symbol of 5 is this. So this like you are writing 15. Next 16. 16 we can write 10 plus 6. What is the symbol of 10? Then symbol of 6. 17. 10 plus 7. So symbol of 10 is, then symbol of 7. Okay. 18. 10 plus 8. Symbol of 10 and symbol of 8. 19. 10 plus 9. Symbol of 10 plus symbol of 9. Then 20. 20 how we write? 10 plus 10. So 2 tens, 20. So the symbol of 1 is this, symbol of 2, symbol of 3, symbol of 4, symbol of 5, symbol of 6, symbol of 7, symbol of 8, symbol of 9 and symbol of 10. From this we are writing symbol of 11, symbol of 12, symbol of 13, symbol of 14, symbol of 15, symbol of 16, symbol of 17, symbol of 18, symbol of 19 and symbol of 20. Then how we write 21? We will check it. Are you study this? Got it? 1, the symbol of 1, symbol of 2, symbol of 3, symbol of 4, symbol of 5, symbol of 6, symbol of 7, symbol of 8, symbol of 9, symbol of 10. Okay, next. Symbol of 11, symbol of 12, symbol of 13, symbol of 14, symbol of 15, symbol of 16, symbol of 17, symbol of 18, and symbol of 19, symbol of 20. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Then we'll check it how to write 21. We write 20 plus 1. What is the symbol of 20? Then 1. 22. 20 plus 3. Symbol of 20 is this. We can write 20 plus 2. 22. 23. 20 plus 3, and symbol of 20 and symbol of 3. 24. 20 plus 4. Okay. 25. 20 plus 5. The symbol of 20 and symbol of 5. 26. 20 plus 6. Symbol of 20 and symbol of 6. 27. 20 plus 7. Symbol of 20 and symbol of 7. 28. 20 plus 8. So symbol of 20, then 8. Then 29. 20 plus 9. Symbol of 20 and 9. Then 40, another symbol. Up to 29 we are studying this year. Okay. Then once more we will count it. Symbol of 1 is this. Symbol of 2. Symbol of 3. Symbol of 4. Symbol 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11. 12. 13. 14. 15. 16. 17. 18. 19. 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29. Are you steady up to 29? Okay. A given number, you just write the Roman numerals. 23, 38, 23, 18, 9. Okay, 23, 18, 9. How we write Roman numerals? 23. 23 we can write 20 plus 3. Then we know the general symbol. 1, 5, 10. So using this we will write 1, 5, 10. 20 means, here 20 is not there. So we can make from this 20. 2 tens. 10 plus 10 is 20. Plus 1. 3 ones is 3. Add 3 ones, we will get 3. 10 plus 10, 20. 1 plus 1 plus 3. Sorry, 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. So what is the symbol of 10? Here all are addition. So we'll give the same way. What is the symbol of 10? This. Then again 3. 1, 1, 1. Got it? 20 we can write 10 plus 10. Then 3 we write 1 plus 1 plus 1. So symbol of 10 is this. Again 1 10. Symbol this. 1, 1, 1. This is symbol of 23. Next we are taking 18. 18. 18 we can write 10 plus 8. Here 10, the symbol of 10 is here, but 8 is not there. But we have 5 and 1. We can make using this 5 and 1, 18. 10 plus 5 plus 3 is 8. Then here not 3, so we will be using ones. We are using 1. So what is the symbol of 10? This. Symbol of 5. 1, 1, 1. The symbol of 18 is this. Next we want to write 9. The symbol of 9. Here 9 is not there. Then from 10 and 1 we will make 9. 10 minus 1. 10 minus 1. Here minus come. Minus operation is there. Subtraction. So we will write the largest number in the right side. In the minus come, minus operations, we are writing the largest number in the right side, smallest number in the left side. So here smallest number is 1, largest number is 10. So the symbol of 10 is right side, the symbol of 1 is left side. What is the symbol of 1? This. Then symbol of 10, this. Okay. In addition case, largest number in the left side, smallest number in the right side. But in the subtraction case, largest number in the right side, smallest number in the left side. Okay. Anyone have doubt to write the Roman numerals? So we will do the problems in the workbook, and additional practice problems also I will give later. Okay, thank you.